In forests and farms alike, mothers mourn as their fledglings vanish, revealing grief that reshapes the cohort's rhythm. A loyal dog waits by the empty porch, sensing absence with a heart tuned to every familiar sound. Stranded by owners who depart, shelter animals endure hopeful longing while learning to trust anew and heal slowly. When a cub loses a parent, orphans reconfigure their social bonds, discovering resilience through shared warmth and patient care. Through sorrow, these beings teach humans to name grief openly and to offer steady companionship that restores light.